Now you try. First, get a jar.
Your wind!
3 weeks later.
Videoland was a brilliant idea, Dr. Wright.
Its first act of peace was bringing the two of us together in friendship.
I can say peace, all right. A piece of cake to steal that super robot. Master, is it time to take over Videoland? Is it, huh? Is it? Calm down, metalhead. We can't do anything until Captain Ninny and Mega Morgan come back from top lane with the last energy tank.
The next morning. 12 seconds later.
There they go again!
I hope that giant kitty doesn't think we're mega mice.
On signal! Come, young ward!
I need 4 ply, 4 ply, 4 ply.
Looks like our flight's leaving.
I'm awake!
This at once!
A gift to my precious Armin company! Save your breath! You'll need it in the Puyo underworld! Oh, come! Surely it isn't entirely hopeless! Think of it as a gift from the Dark Prince!
Hit him with my punchline.
Your fucking army, all precious Armin. Precious Armin. I am the victim here!
Alright! We got the last energy tank for the peace robot.
Cheers for the return of our master fry cook, SpongeBob! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray! Hip hip! Hooray!
That's straight into the table, Snapper.
Stop it! Don't you hear it? Yes, I did it! I did it! I took the boots!
One long, angry line later.
Dr. Wright, are you sure you can trust that mega rat?
There's good in everybody, Mega Man. You just have to look for
I'm
it.
gonna clean up on Videoland. After my control device turns that peace robot deliciously evil. But first, we have to get Captain Nitwit and Megamite out of the way.
You can stop now.
And he's losing control!
You can take a break now if you want to, Gary. That's okay, boy. You'll beat his tail off in the Frisbee free-for-all.
Here we go again! Arf!
Can I spring the trap, Master? Can I, huh? I like your attitude, Doc Robot. Go on, enjoy!
6 months later.
So nice of you to come to my pool party. I do hope you'll stay for dinner. My Robo-Turtles just love superheroes. Sorry, Captain Numbskull. I left my wallet in my other lab coat.
It was it, my one non-powered weapon, the Shadow Blade.
Well, I'm off to steal my peace, robot. While I'm gone, make sure Captain Nerdneck and Maggot Man enjoy their misery. Oh, goody, goody, goody. What about dogs? Cut them from the team. Will do, Master.
You get the idea.
Well, Mr. Krabs, you gave us quite a scare. So I'm gonna be okay, Doc?
I am, and now so are you.
Unhand that penny or the arm comes off!
Hey, stop
Mega Man, Captain N, Dr. Wily's stolen the peace robot.
Listen to those nutnicks. What a couple of hopeless babies. I really...
I guess you didn't get my point.
Whoa there! Calm down! Tell me what happened!
SpongeBob and I are being chased by a savage beast!
And he's gonna eat us!
Oh no, he ain't!
Goodbye, pests!
Are you SpongeBob SquarePants?
Yes!
Let's book him!
Wow, you guys are good. I'm the last person I would have suspected, but I was looking for me all the time. It's the perfect crime.
Yeah, tell it to the judge, Pinky.
Oh no! Patrick's too sensitive for the big house! Wait! Stop! I'm the one you want! I am the criminal! What are you gonna do to us?
Okay, follow me. If you can't do the time, don't do the crime.